So one of the things we've done is we've redesigned the program so that it reflects more diversity in the kinds of activities that happen. We're moving away from just the celebratory events and just having fun during Independence Time. This year, we wanted to say to the world, this is Jamaican cultural and creativity. We want to showcase all the things that we can produce because we want to create sustainable markets for our cultural and creative people. At the end of the day, we want to be able to go out into the world, get films made, book television sitcoms, get books sold, fashion bought, culinary reflected in hotel circuits across the world. So this is our opportunity to say, this is Jamaica, my Jamaica. When we looked at what is being demanded mostly globally and what are the things that we think we're doing so well in, but we're just not showcasing it enough, we decided on a number of new things. CPTC is doing the Auntie Roche Festival, the film and television aspect. There's also a literary aspect, so our Poet Laureate is going to be a big feature of that event. We're reintroducing the culinary aspect, but this year we're focusing on culinary institutions and high school students. So it's the Dutchy Culinary, and everybody knows the Dutch pot in Jamaica and what that represents. We're also bringing in our Heart of Ska Festival. Ska, born and growing in Jamaica, and it is so huge around the world, yet you don't hear so much about it here. We also are introducing a family day. We're the Ministry of Children and of Youth, and we talk a lot about parenting, but we think families are at the core of how we fix things in Jamaica. And so we want a day where everybody, if your family in Portland and you in the Grill and some in Clarendon, come together. How often do we meet as family and spend a day to say we love each other?
Sometimes people try to come into the yard. That is not family.
The Auntie Roche Film Festival serves as a development platform for Jamaica's aspiring filmmakers. Now, following a call for scripts, 10 finalists will be selected on the strength of their film concepts and potential market value. Auntie Roche Film Festival finalists will then attend a workshop designed to hone their screenwriting skills. Now, this is a very important aspect of the festival, as our objective is to prepare a cadre of writers whose films are ready not just for the local market, but for the global space as well. Think about it. When our local films give pride of place to positive Jamaican stories, it celebrates our heritage and reinforces our culture. This is important, especially to give our youth a sense of identity and self-pride. CPTC Productions, working with several outstanding Jamaican filmmakers, will then support these 10 finalists in the production of their films, which we are going to put on show at the Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center during the Independence celebrations. You have to make it a date to come out and have a look at these great productions.
At the Heart of Ska Festival, we'll do two things. The first thing, it will help Jamaicans to recognize how important this genre was to the world. The Skatalites celebrate 50 years this year, and this is one of the groups that just propelled Jamaican music into Europe and the United States. It still exists. There are hundreds of Ska festivals happening, but none happening in Jamaica. They try to duplicate the genre, but because it's ours, they never quite get it right. And this year we want to say to the world, look, this is the heart of Ska. Ska is a lifestyle. It's how you dress. It's how you dance. It's something that has influenced some of the greatest artists in the world. And we want Jamaican people to see that this is something that we generated and that the world loves and that we have to maintain. And so we're bringing groups also from overseas who are more than happy to come to the home of Ska and be a part of it. The Live Music Tuesdays that we're generating in July, we will be teaching those live bands across Jamaica about Ska, the syncopation and all of that. And so we'll be picking the best groups and showcasing them on the show. When I was a child, independence was all around. You had to wear the fashion. Even if you were the little baby to the adult, you just had to be wearing whatever festival fashion was saying or nothing was going on for you. There were a lot of street activity. There was music, the gala. We had the Festival Queen competition. Everywhere there was something that you could attend in a parish or you could do on your own, which said, this is Jamaica Festival, and you all felt like you were a part of it. And that's one of the things that we want to recreate this year. Every single person, we want to say that I was a part of celebrating Jamaica. And being independent, we take it lightly, you know, but being independent is absolutely no joke. And being able, as citizens of Jamaica, to have a say in how we grow, have some input in who we are. And so this year we're putting on activities that every single person can enjoy, can be a part of. We want you to come out in your national colors with a tupsa white. And because this year we're thinking about purity, we're thinking about innocence. We're talking about children, we're introducing white into it. So put on your national colors, not yellow, gold, tupsa white, and just come out and say, look, this is Jamaica, my Jamaica, and celebrate Jamaica Festival. I'm looking for every single one I know.